The maintenance light on your Toyota vehicle serves as an intelligent reminder system for routine service intervals. Understanding how this system works is essential for proper vehicle maintenance. The maintenance light is a sophisticated reminder system that tracks your vehicle's service intervals. It monitors both mileage and time to ensure you don't miss important maintenance schedules, helping maintain your warranty and vehicle performance. Toyota standardized maintenance light reset procedures across their entire 2019 to 2024 model lineup. This standardization means consistent procedures whether you drive a Camry, RAV4, or Highlander, making the process much more user-friendly than previous generations. Recent Toyota models have evolved significantly. The 2022 to 2024 models feature Toyota app integration, allowing some maintenance resets to be performed remotely through your smartphone. The multi-information display in 2023 and 2024 models provides detailed maintenance tracking with oil life percentages and comprehensive service history. There are 3 primary methods to reset the maintenance light, and the correct method depends on your specific Toyota model and year. The odometer button method is most common, while newer models often use the multi-information display navigation. Some models require specific button combinations. Understanding which method applies to your vehicle is crucial for successful reset. Now that you understand the Toyota maintenance light system and its evolution across model years, you're ready to learn the specific reset procedures for your vehicle. The most common method uses the odometer button. This works for most Toyota models, including Camry, Corolla, and RAV4. Follow these 5 steps carefully. First, turn the ignition to the on position with the engine off. Make sure you can see the odometer reading on your dashboard. Next, turn the ignition completely off. Then, hold down the odometer reset button while turning the ignition back to on. Keep holding the button until the maintenance light disappears. Some Toyota models, like the Highlander and Tacoma, require a different approach using the multi-information display system. For models with advanced multi-information displays, you'll navigate through the menu system using your steering wheel controls. Use the directional buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through Settings, then Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance System to find the reset option. Here are some important tips to ensure successful resets, regardless of which method you use. Battery voltage is critical for successful resets. Make sure your battery voltage is above 12.4 volts before attempting the procedure. Always verify you're using the correct procedure for your specific Toyota model and trim level. Different models may require different approaches. For best results, perform the reset within 100 miles of your actual service. If the reset procedure doesn't work, contact your local Toyota dealer for assistance. Following these methods and tips will help ensure your Toyota's maintenance light resets properly, keeping your service intervals accurate.